On February 24th, 2024, the Pima Regional Critical Incident Team was activated for a Pima County Sheriff's Department officer-involved shooting at 4855 South Palo Verde Road in Pima County.
Sheriff's Department, how can I help you?
Hello, I work over here at the Days Inn, and I just have customers complaining that there's a guest here that's waving around a sword and screaming. And
What's the address?
4855 South Palo Verde Road.
And what is your name? Where is the male at?
He's around the other side of the building on the bottom floor. He's in room 116. He just didn't listen when we told him to stop, and we just...
So is he in the room doing this, or is he outside the room doing this?
He's outside, like, just right outside of his room, just, like, screaming, waving a sword.
Okay, do you know, is he white, black, Hispanic, Native American?
He's white.
About how old?
I would say maybe 30.
What color shirt?
Red jacket.
What color pants or shorts?
I want to say maybe black or gray. Oh, he's wearing shorts, gray shorts.
Gray shorts, okay.
And we weren't going to kick him out. We just wanted him to stop, but he wasn't listening to us.
So nobody's with him, are they?
No, he's just by himself.
All right, I've got deputies. That'll be there shortly, okay?
Alrighty, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Like put it down, like lay it on the ground, or yeah. You gotta call us. Yeah, saying that you're screaming, waving the sword and stuff.
I swear.
What's that?
I swear I'm not screaming.
No, that's fine. I mean, I didn't hear you scream when I pulled up. That's just what the call is
Listen
referencing.
to me now. Listen to me, Holmes. Now you listen to me, dog. Oh yeah.
What's going on?
Yeah,
Listen
what's
to me.
going on,
I'm
dude?
trying to achieve something.
Huh?
I'm trying to achieve greatness in the katanas. It's not allowed in the United States.
Well, I mean, we got people calling. I mean, I'm not telling you not to achieve that. What I'm saying
I'm
is,
a hell of responsible. Unless somebody comes at me and is willing to kill me, I'm not willing to kill them.
that's how it should be. I agree 100%. But what we're trying to
But if
understand
they are
is,
willing to kill me, and if they don't accept that they're willing to kill me, and they want to see
no, I mean, that's not the case, man. Like I said, we're here to see what's going on. All right, it's not every day that somebody's out at a hotel waving a katana. You know what I mean? You're what?
I'm related to Dionysus and everything.
So what are you doing?
I'm practicing my way with the katana so I can become better at combat.
Are you not able to do that in the comfort of your room? Yeah, leave it there, dude. Don't f***ing do it.
Put it down,
I'm telling
man.
you right now.
Put it down.
Don't. Are you not able to do that in the comfort of your room? Yeah, leave it there, dude. Don't f***ing do it.
Put it down,
I'm telling
man.
you right now.
Put it down.
Don't. 695. Shots fired.